Yeah, welcome back to Russell's Rides. Going to go over a little bit on the pace car, and then we're going to be pulling the camshaft out of that engine. I'm going to see if there's a number on that. So this is what we got left to do to prep the car for paint. This is the rear bumper. I'm not using the original one. It was really wavy up here. It's been warped pretty good. Picked this filler up for urethane bumper. I'm not too happy with it, but it's working. Got to sand that down. And also off this same car, I'm using the nose section off of it. The main damage on this is scuff marks over here, which I'll have to fill just like the rear bumper. This is the original one off my pace car, and it is severely damaged. So instead of trying to staple that back together and make it look good, I just as soon use that one. Obviously, makes life simpler. But I have to sand and prep all this down, get it ready, get it cleaned up. It had, he must have had a license plate on the front of this. It got holes there, but my original one barely had. You can see they never had anything in it, but they have a form of a hole where you just punch it, I guess, put a screw in it. But still, with that damage on that corner, I just as soon go with this one. And it's in pretty good shape. It's got all the brackets. I got to reattach that part there, but where the attachment places are, it's all in really good shape. So let's go over here. This is probably going to be a shorter video today. The heat is back on and it is stinking hot again. I do want to, I wanted to get this cam out of there, see if I can find a number on it, because I don't think I want to use it. I want to see I'd like to find out what it is. I can't remember, because we put this together, it's been years ago we put this together, and I don't remember if there was a number on it or not, but we're gonna pop these lifters out, and I did a roller cam conversion on it, because this isn't 93 or newer, it's a little older than that. So let's go ahead and get these off. You got all these dog legs. They're in really good shape. When I did all this, I can't remember if I bought this kit or if it was part of that engine. I think it was part of that engine we took the cam out of. There's always one stuck. Yeah. A little dry. All right. Now let's take this front off. See if I can't find a bolt. That hasn't rotated very long at all. Been a few days, obviously. Let's see if we can't pop it out. There we go. All right, good, there is a number on it. Looks like a 371621. There's no name on it. Okay, we tried looking that up. That number's not popping up. So my guess is that this camshaft is some generic POS, cheap camshaft, and it's not showing up. So it's probably going to get shipped out, and I'm going to put something in there what I know what it is. But other than that, that's about all I can tell about this thing right now, because this came out of a built engine that was bought offline, and it wasn't any major company. It was some cheap place. So pretty sure that's cheap camshaft. So we'll get a new one, replace it, so I know what I have. And again, I want to thank all my subscribers. Be sure and like and subscribe if you liked it. Like I say, this is going to be a short film today because it's really hot out again, and I'm still waiting for this heat to break so I can spray some paint. And we'll catch you next time. All right, thank you.